playing around today. You get me? The toilet wasn't even attached. I might have to fix this flange, man. So this toilet flange is fine. The dog ears, or whatever you want to call those, they're in decent shape. I don't see any cracks. And it's a little bit below the floor, maybe 1/4 of an inch. So an extra thick wax would be fine for this. If this was any lower, I would say we probably need to use a spacer. But I mean, that's extra thick wax will be fine for that. Inch. So these are 1/4 inch bolts, and it requires a, let's see, it requires, where'd it go? Here we go. 7/16 nut driver. And then for the tank, I like to use these 5/16 bolts, and that requires a 1/2 inch, because the tanks, they come with these stupid butterfly washers, and you just cannot get these tight enough. But I use 5/16 bolts, hex nuts, and these are garbage. I like to use this clear stuff. It's much easier than trying to make white caulk look good. Glacier Bay. It's the dual flush. One's for dookie, one's for piss. I really like these, dude. Glacier Bay, $94 for that thing. Just thread this in.